So we went fishing again because that's what we do best here on Long Island, New York. Hopefully, when we get to Miami, it's even better. So we got our bait. We always catch something. Always. If it's not clams, it's fish. If it's not fish, it's clams. Sometimes we get really, really lucky. We get double headers. But let's see how we do today.
I caught something.
Let's
You're
go
back.
Thank God.
fishing.
So I was getting hooked on fishing. Okay, let me move this guy. Caught last year. We'll catch those in 3 weeks. Okay, shut off. Get the hook out of my back.
Corona cooler. That's all we have. You know what's inside there?
No, I have no idea.
We have. We don't have beer. We have water.
You're ruining the whole video.
We have Arizona.
Cream
Cream cheese.
Turn you off. They got no Corona.
Roasted eggplant spread. And carrot juice. That's what we have.
Have some iced tea. Some Long Island iced tea. Some Long Island iced tea. Yeah.
Corona cooler.
Sorry, I'm going to
Long Island
Arizona.
ice.
Hey, I'm doing that. Hi, Terrell. Got him. Oh-ho, oh-ho, oh-ho.
The net.
I got the net here. Just videotape, okay? Oh, he's really heavy. I can't reel him up. He's so big. He's too big. Look at the size of him. Holy shit.
Oh my God.
It's
Don't
a
lose it.
monster.
Woo!
A freaking monster. Look at that. Holy.
Woo!
Oh,
Awesome.
oh,
Woohoo!
oh.
Yeah,
Look at the
yes.
size of that big
Yes.
boy.
Oh my God.
That's a big fish.
That's like 23 inches.
Whew. I had every bit of strength to pull him up. He was bending my 65-year-old pole.
Oh my God.
My lucky grandfather's pole.
Oh my God, how huge is he? Swallowed the hook.
Oh, I
too.
hooked him perfect too. Look at the way I hooked.
Oh, I thought he swallowed the hook. Very cool. You need pliers? Oh God. Ah!
Hey, 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 hey.
Woo! Big Fluke.
Yeah,
Let me zoom in.
I gotta fill up the line well. That's our first catch of the day. What the hell is it? Is it
I
Fluke?
don't know. I hope it's something
else.
different. I hope it's not
Whatever
oh,
it is, it's big.
oh my God, it's big. Oh yeah. Oh my God. Don't lose it. Don't lose it. Woo! Oh baby.
That was just laying there. I didn't even play it. It was laid there. Oh, that's 21 inches deep.
That's a good one. You got mine?
Jack, don't lose it.
I know, I'm not gonna.
We'll lose it. Whip himself.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share.